So one of the types of elements that you can actually add in the make your own section is a video element as well. So let's talk about that. Here I have some image elements as you can see, and in order to go ahead and add in video element, I'm going to go ahead and click on the add elements button. Then once I do that, I'm going to go around and click on video right here. So once I do that, you can see that I got the video element. You can go ahead and click, and then over here what you can do is add in the video URL from YouTube, Vimeo, or more. So for that, I already have a URL. So let's just go ahead and paste it and then click on save right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I have my YouTube video inserted. So now, just like with the image element, you can go ahead and click and drag these out wherever you want. You can go ahead and move these out right here, keep it on the top. Let's say, for example, right here, just like this. So there seems to be an error. So let's just go ahead and refresh out this page. So this does happen sometimes. So you can see that now the video is here. You can go ahead and click and drag these out right here, just like this. You can go ahead and click and drag this down. You can go ahead and click and drag this over here onto the left right here. Let's say, for example, and change it out how you want. So you can see that you can place out the video as you want, drag it down right here. You can even go ahead and add in more video element over here on the right as well, and you can click and drag it to place it out like a gallery. And that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the video element to embed out the videos that you have in different hosting platforms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.